Natural Pet Foods in Carlton Place. And I've got Willie here with me. He and his sister Molly just arrived from Laws today. They're looking for a home together. And Willie wanted to share with you some of the new Canadian cat food we have called Romeo. It comes in 5 fun flavors. There's maple salmon, duck à l'orange, royal pork, catch of the day, and roasted turkey. They're gonna try the maple salmon today. It's got real maple syrup in it. So we'll see if Tommy and Willie and our other store cat Freya would like to have a bite. The cats here are trying some of the maple salmon flavor. Willie's already had his bowl, but Tommy's up here eating and Freya's down there having some. And Freya, our 20-year-old store cat, the fact that she's eating it, she's very picky, so that speaks volumes about how good this maple salmon food is. The other flavors we have are duck à l'orange, royal pork. The royal pork has some ginger and thyme and different things in it for sensitive tummies. We've got catch of the day and roasted turkey. And I don't know if I mentioned, but the maple salmon actually has real maple syrup in it. So it's truly a Canadian food. So you can get it online at our online store at www.naturalpetfoods.ca, or you can come on down to our store on Bridge Street in beautiful Carlton Place and pick up some.